Hi there, this is Alex Mac from VIDACASA. Today I would like to talk to you a little bit more about VIDACASA products, and I would like to start with our elements, the cold cell. So this cold cell, it's very different from the regular blue gel that you get in the market. In the market today, you see mostly blue gel or wet ice, something like a bottle of water. Then you freeze it, then you actually use it as a coolant. But the problem with the regular blue gel is that it doesn't really last too long, and the freezing point is actually quite low enough to give a nice cooling temperature. So what we did is that we came up with a new cooling technology that can actually freeze at 14 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 6 to 8 hours. As you can see that this is fully aluminum, so aluminum is actually the best material that transfers heat. So that's why, as you can see, it's perfectly flat. So it actually works with our flat plate or flat pots and pans. And after we have finished the cold cell, actually we came with the hot cell. As you can see, the hot cell and cold cell is actually identical in size. The reason is because we want them to be interchangeable, so that maybe in the morning time you use the cold cell, at night time you can use the hot cell. So the hot cell is actually powered by rechargeable lithium-ion battery. So we have two sets of charging station. One is a 6 unit, and the new one here is like an 18 units charging. So to operate the hot cell is actually very easy and simple. So at the back, there's a cover, and then you can actually put it in like this way or this way, either way, and then I close it. And at the back, there's a master control saying the off and on. So when you're traveling, make sure it's off. When you're about to use it, turn it on. The reset button here is actually when there's any weird functions going on, you can always reset the whole unit, just like how you reset your computer. So right now it's on. So to turn on, it's actually very easy. Hold the on off button for 3 seconds. As you can see, there are two fire lights is on. That means it's at high heat temperature. Temperature goes up to 240 Fahrenheit, and it's fully charged. It can last up to 2.5 hours to 3 hours. You hold it for another 3 seconds. You see there's only one light on. That means low heat is 175 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's fully charged 3 power bar. It can last up to 3.5 hours or so. So to turn off is hold it for 6 seconds, then it's off. All right. So and for some of the customers, they believe that the battery charging is a little bit too complicated, takes a little bit too long. So we have also come up with the concept of the heat blaster. So the heat blaster is actually operates very easy. So let's say you have a base tray, the VIDACASA base tray. So you can open it, right? And as you can see, all our VIDACASA base tray for the heat blaster, there's always a cavity here. So all you need to do is just pour the water all the way to the top. And then within maybe 30 seconds or so, the water will actually activate the heat pack and give you 30 minutes to 45 minutes of hot steam, keeping the food hot for another 45 minutes to an hour or so. So this is the quick way to, fast, immediate way to give you flameless, safe heat option for your buffet setup for all different kinds of occasions, all right? So now we move on to classic series, classic buffetware that we have. The temperature of the heat pack can actually goes up to 180 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. It's almost like 95 degrees Celsius. So it's equivalent to a normal shaving field temperature. So the beauty of this is that it's easy, it's safe.